guys, I practiced about an hour and a half this week, most of it just now. I finally have the mostly finalized tab to Cold Frosty Morning. My current version is printed on a double-sided sheet of paper, so I'm going to have to stop to turn it. But next time I'll have the final version printed on 2 sheets of paper, which will be easier to read. And I will also make a separate blog post and make that tab available to everyone, which is really exciting because it's such a pretty version. So I'm going to play you guys Cold Frosty Morning in G modal, and then I'll talk about some other stuff. All right, let's see. Okay, so a couple mistakes there, but hopefully I want to get it up to speed, like the same speed she plays in the video, and also the correct notes. And some exciting news, I'm getting a new banjo. I had it custom made, I ordered it a couple months ago, and it's gonna have a shorter scale than this one, which will be really nice. This Deering Goodtime is 26¼ scale, and that one's gonna be 24.75, which is this guy's standard scale, and that's a full 1.5 inches shorter, so my reach is not going to be like and so I'm really excited to get that banjo, and hopefully by next time it'll have arrived and I'll be playing it. I'm going to be gone next week, traveling, but also at the end of the month I'm traveling to San Diego, so I'm going to take that opportunity to go to the Deering factory. So if they let me take pictures and stuff, I'll make a blog post about that too. So that's really exciting. And hopefully by next week I'll have time to write a blog post about this version of Cold Frosty Morning played by Michelle Younger and make that available to everyone. All right, bye.